And well, the devastating Pahalgam attack that claimed 26 lives has resulted in fear among the residents at border areas of the North District of Kashmir. Now, the rising tension that has compelled the people of Karna, Keran, Machil, Budnamal, Kumkadi, Marsari, Chokibal and other places to prepare for the worst. The people in these areas have begun cleaning and repairing underground bunkers to cope with any potential eventuality due to rising tension between the two nuclear-armed neighbors. In fact, my colleague Harsha, who's filed this ground report from the Indo-Pak border in Nambla block, where residents have made single bunkers to shelter a family of more than 6 people. Here's that report.
Right now I'm reporting from the forward post of the Indo-Pak border, and it's very important to show this area because we are not going to reveal exactly the place and how far our army and our soldiers have been deployed because of the security concerns. But yes, whatever we are going to talk about right now is about the security, is about the safety measures and the preparedness, that how civilians and the Kashmiris have been preparing themselves, because this is the LOC area and the forward post, and the first village of India from this forward post is Nambla. Is Nambla village. Is in the Dungi. It's in the Dungi block, which comes under the Rajouri district. Behind me, I'll ask my camera person Gaurav to show you. Behind me is the LOC and it's the forward post. And if we talk about the entire border area, which starts in this region, is from Changar to Lam to Pir Badesar to Tek to Biji to Mender to Pooch. Then it goes to Lauren, then to Mandi, then to Gulmarg, then to Uri, then to Tangdar in Kupwada. And the LOC right now, the visuals in our screen, the LOC which we are showing you right now, behind that LOC is the Pakistan Swana village. And that is the reason why the villagers are continuously talking about the safety, the security of themselves, that why they have to be prepared, that in case of the cross firing, they are the first ones, the first village which will be affected. And that is the reason they have already started preparing community bunkers. They have started preparing single bunkers. Right now, if I talk about this, the Muhammad Hussein's family, and this is the actual house of Muhammad Hussein and his brother. There are almost 12 to 15 people in the family, including brother, wife and the number of children. But if we talk about the bunker, just next to this house, the bunker, Muhammad Hussein has constructed this single bunker, and the single bunker can only shelter family member. The family, which consists of almost 5 to 6, can only be sheltered here in this bunker. If we talk about the strength of this bunker, it is said that they have made it with concrete, sand and steel. And therefore, if we talk about the height of this bunker, it's almost 7 foot. If we talk about the length and about the width of this bunker, it is almost 3.5 and 2.5 meters. But yes, they have already shifted their sofas, they have shifted their bed, they have shifted their everything inside this bunker, so that in case of crossfire shelling, just when the firing will start, they will move from their house and they will immediately come to this bunker. Right now I'm showing you this bunker. This is bunker which is ready to live, the bunker which is ready to stay. We see Muhammad Hussein here inside this bunker. We see there's a bed, there's a table, there's a sofa, there's a almirah. However, they are very scared because the population of this village is 5,000. There are 3,000 voters, and the number of bunkers is extremely less as compared to the number of people. Hussain ji, आप लोग को इस बात का खतरा है, इस बात का डर है कि बंकर बहुत कम है, और अभी यहाँ पे आपने अपने परिवार के लिए तो बना दिया है, लेकिन गांव की आबादी बहुत है।
सर, तो अगर हमको बहुत, हमारा परिवार, हमारे रिश्तेदार हैं जो गांव में, उनके लिए भी बैंकर कोई नहीं, बहुत कम बैंकर है सर। हमको बहुत डर है, माहौल ख़राब हो चुका है दोनों बॉर्डरों, पाकिस्तान हिंदुस्तान की बॉर्डरों में, तो हम बहुत लोग डरते हैं।
तो हुसैन जी, अभी पहलगाम अटैक के बाद आप लोग के गाँव में क्या माहौल है, महिलाओं में, बच्चों में? आप तो गाँव के पंच हैं, आप लोग सब आपस में बैठते हैं तो अभी क्या स्थिति है, क्योंकि पाकिस्तान का पहला गांव एकदम नज़दीक है, एलओसी बिल्कुल यही है।
बिल्कुल नज़दीक है सर। रात को लोग सोते भी नहीं, डरते बैठे रहते हैं, बच्चे भी डरे हुए हैं, बहुत सहने हुए हैं कि क्या कब क्या हो जाएगा।
So this is the bunker, single bunker. We call it single bunker. The Kashmiris, the civilians call it single bunker because it can only shelter one family, not more than one family. And this is how the bunker has been constructed. They say they are very scared. In Nambla, there are almost 12 bunkers, but there is a need of more than 20-30 bunkers because if we talk about this village is at the edge. That when the cross firing will happen, this will be the first village to face the shelling and will be the first village to face any consequences when the attack will happen or if the attack happens. Harsha Chandwani along with video journalist Gaurav from Nambla, from Dongi block, from Rajouri district.